Again, in this video, let me go to introduction. Okay, let's go directly. Here in this video, I'll show you how to reset the router configuration. There are two modes that you can reset the router. Show I have logged in the terminal. Reset configuration. When you type reset configuration here, there is keep users. If you say no default, it means nothing will be installed, because by default route, when you reset a route, it loads the default configuration. If you say no default configuration, say yes, it means it is. If we hit enter here, we are going to erase everything in the router, and we keep on the files. If we have created a backup, that are not going to be erased by reset, only the configuration will be erased, and you have to start from that. You will not be able to connect by default. You will not be able to connect since the no default reset configuration will erase everything, and you will not, and no interface will be configured with the IP address, so no network, and you cannot access it with either with a Wi-Fi connection or with interface like Ethernet connection. The only things you can connect to it is using a MAC address, and the MAC address I'll show you in the next video how to connect with a MAC address. Some of you get stuck while connected with a MAC address. Just you have a Ethernet connect to your computer from a microtic route, or you connect that microtic route to the same network with the computer that you connected, and you can scan. You can use microtic. You can use Winbox to scan the file of microtic hardware phone, and you can connect with it. Thanks for watching, my friends.